Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Gemini. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, guys. So these are for your daily energy, Gemini. These cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship. So this is for your career situation, Gemini, and this is for your relationship. And we will also be picking one card from the angel guidance deck. So we will turn the cards as we proceed, Gemini. So first, for your daily energy, the High Priestess in reverse, 9 of Swords and 7 of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, you are seeing some stressful situation, some disappointments, and some circumstances are out of control, guys. So you feel that disappointment and anxiety. You are sleepless, maybe for some of you, because of these stressful circumstances. This may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation. So some kind of failures or delays in your career, or failures, or some kind of sad situation in your personal life, that may be the reason for these anxieties, guys, that you're facing today. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you have that passion about something, but you are unable to do it, guys. Something is troubling you, some kind of obstacles. Maybe for some of you, you are putting in that effort, extraordinary effort. You may be making too much efforts in your situation. That may also be the reason for some stress. So again, it may relate to your career or your personal life situation, Gemini. And also, people are coming to give you that guidance and suggestions in certain circumstance, about certain circumstances, but you are not ready to listen to that. You are not ready to accept their advice and counsel, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This may relate your career or relationship. Let us see what it is. So what is the card for your career situation, Gemini? 6 of Cups. So with this card, maybe you are working together as a team in your work. You may be talking to people about the people whom you work with, about your past success, your past failures. Some kind of communication is happening today in your work situation, guys, and you know what you need to do, what is the right choice, and what action should be taken in your career to reach that success. And maybe you are communicating with people, or it may be someone trying to give you that counsel or suggestions in your situation, guys. So that may be a person from your work, your mentor or your team leader or your colleague. Someone is giving you some kind of guidance. That may also be the energy here with this card in your career situation, guys. So what is the card for your relationship, Gemini? The Tower in reverse. So with this card, guys, I see here that situations are really stressful in your personal life. Some kind of emotional state that you are in, sudden changes in your maybe with this person. They may be moving out, maybe because of some misunderstandings, quarrels. some sudden change, or some fights or quarrels. That may be the reason for this stressful situation today, guys. That may be the reason for this card here. So some anxiety and disappointments in your situation, some kind of failures that you are facing today. That is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for y'all. These cards may denote something negative, guys, but our life is in our hands. So this may be pointing towards something negative, to just give us that clarity, so we can be more careful today to avoid such circumstances. So we can change our day into a positive one. These are just cards, but in truth our life is in our hands. So all that we can make for ourselves is truly in our hands, guys. So we need not worry about these cards if they point something negative. So that is what I see here. Let us see what is the angel's guidance for your Gemini. Check your emotions. So with this card in your situation today, you may be feeling really emotional today in your situation. This may relate to your career situation or your personal life, but when we are facing some emotional situation where we want to express ourselves, we have to go for that thoughtful responses instead of blurting out, reacting to that situation immediately and hurting that other person in the heat of the moment. So that is what this card is about. So we need to show our emotional, maybe even our negative emotions in a much milder way, with that understanding. We should go for that response. We should listen to that other person. Then we can talk in a clear way without our words showing anger, with that carefulness in our speech. So when we go for that balance in our communication, we will not break that situation, guys. We will find that harmony in our situation. So it will help us in a long run to have that balanced communication, balanced relationship with that person without hurting them, and at the same time bringing that clarity in our situation. So that is what this guidance is about, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.